Maayong gabi, this is Mr. Joson Seroy. I just want to say hi to all people in the world. Uh, Behind my back is my wife, that's Maribik, and I just want to say hi to our friends in Cebu. This is Mr. Joson Seroy. That's my wife. That's my
Hi.
wife. Hey, say hi.
Say hi. Oh, I'll say hi.
Mr.
I'm the beautiful wife of Josan, and this him is just like I don't know where planet that he came from.
Uh, just a check to the future of Sir and Mrs. Egot. We just try the computer together with this headphone, and yeah, anybody can see this one. So sorry. Hi, hello.